Hello friends, welcome to our channel Technical Academy. In this presentation we will study about the analog electronics, and this is our lecture number 1 in analog electronics. So in this lecture we will study about the what is the analog electronics. So here we will define the term analog electronics, then we will see some examples of the analog devices, and at last we will compare between the analog versus digital circuits. So let us start our presentation. So now we are going to define the term analog. Analog is the term that describes a continuous measurement or the transmission of a signal. All the signals which occurs in the nature, example eye vision, hearing, reading, etc. or the analog information or the signal. So this is the basic definition of the analog, and now we will define what is electronics. So basically the electronics can be defined as electronics is the branch of science that deals with the study of flow and controls of the electrons, that we call as electricity, and the study of their behavior. So the study of their behavior and the effects in the vacuums, gases and semiconductors, and with devices using such electrons. So this is the basic definition of the electronics, and now we will define the analog electronics. So the analog electronics can be defined as analog electronics are the systems with a continuously variable signal. So in analog electronics the signals are varying like this. You can see this is the varying signal which is continuously varying with respect to the time. In contrast to the digital electronics, where the signals usually take only two levels. So if you will compare with the digital, so this is our digital signal where you can see only two levels are there, and the first level is 1 and the second one is 0. So in all the signals it is represented by 1 0 1 0 1 0 in this format. But in case of the analog it is continuous in nature, so it is always changing with respect to the time. And now we will see what are the analog signals. So the continuous or varying signal are known as analog signal. So all the signals which are varying in the nature that we have seen here, this is our analog signal. Now we will see some examples of the analog devices. So the first example is the analog watch. So I think all of you have seen the analog watch. You can see in this figure, this is our analog watch. Operational amplifier, we will study in deep about the operational amplifier in this analog electronics. So this is the example for an operational amplifier. And cassette tapes, so you can see this is cassette tape, this is also analog in nature. Thermometer, this is thermometer. TV, telephones, integrators. So these all are the examples of the analog device. Now we are going to compare between the analog and digital, analog versus digital. So in case of the analog or analog circuit, it is, as we have already studied, that analog is continuous in nature. So analog is continuous in nature, but the digital circuits are always discrete, and analog signal is, or analog circuit is denoted by the sine waves, but the digital signals are denoted by the square waves, that we have already seen in the previous figure. And the analog signal uses the continuous range of the values. So there will be infinite number of continuous values in case of the analog signals, but in case of the digital signals it is represented by only two values, that is 1 or 0. So 1 represent high and 0 represent low, that means zero value. So the analog signal or analog information occupies very less bandwidth, but the digital circuits or digital informations requires high bandwidth, and it occupies high bandwidth. And some examples of the analog devices are or analog signals are radio signals, temperature sensors, etc. So these are the analog in nature, and you can take examples for the digital as computers, CDs, DVDs. So these all are the digital in nature. So friends, if you like this video, then you can subscribe my channel Technical Academy, and you can press the bell icon so that you can get notification for the upcoming videos. Okay, thank you.